Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a series of lectures on the topic of ECG. ECG means electrocardiography, which means electrical activity of the heart represented in a graphical form. Electrical activity, cardio heart. Electrical activity of the heart represented in a graphical form. Electrocardiography, ECG. It is also called EKG in some countries. It is a powerful diagnostic tool for diseases related to the heart. Therefore, a basic understanding of the ECG is necessary for every health professional. ECG is actually a very complex subject to understand. You need a lot of research and study to understand it completely. I will try my best to make it as easy for you as possible. I have divided the whole topic in a lot of small topics so that we can focus on a single thing at a time and we can digest this whole topic chunk by chunk. And at the end we have some understanding of the ECG. So let's begin exploring this complex subject chunk by chunk. Okay, let's start with the ECG basics. First of all, we will briefly overview electrical conduction system of the heart. This is a simplified form of heart drawn here. This is the right atrium, this is the left atrium. This is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. Heart is made up of 4 chambers, but from electrical point of view, heart acts as a 2-chambered cavity because both the atria contract together and both the ventricles contract together. Therefore, both the atria act like a single chamber and both the ventricles act like a single chamber. This black is the fibrous septum. It is an electrical insulator and it does not allow current to pass through it. This is the interventricular septum. Its first part is fibrous and the remaining part is muscular. The electrical activity in the heart starts here in a specialized area of the right ventricle called SA node or sinoatrial node. It is also called the natural pacemaker of the heart. When SA node fires, the depolarization goes on in all directions. All the parts of both atria are depolarized. When depolarization reaches this fibrous septum, it does not move further because fibrous septum is insulator to the electrical currents. The only electrical connection between atria and ventricle is this area, which is called AV node. It is also a specialized area which is specialized for slow conduction. When the current reaches this area, it is slowed down here so that it takes about 0.1 seconds to travel through the AV node. AV node acts like a speed breaker for the current because AV node is specialized for slow conduction. After AV node, there is bundle of His in the fibrous septum of the ventricle. Then it divides into right bundle branch and left bundle branch in the muscular part of the interventricular septum. I repeat, after AV node, there is bundle of His in the fibrous part of the interventricular septum and it then divides into right and left bundle branches in the muscular part of the interventricular septum. Bundle of His is also called atrioventricular bundle as it is present between atria and ventricles. The interventricular septum is depolarized by the left bundle branch. It does not receive supply from the right bundle branch. That is important as we will discuss the vectors later. Then from right and left bundle branches, we have these small fibers coming out. These are called Purkinje fibers. Bundle of His, right and left bundle branches and Purkinje fibers. These are all fast conducting fibers. And AV node is a slow conducting structure. It is specialized for slow conduction so that there is a delay. This delay of current in AV node is important. When the atria contract, there must be a delay before the ventricles start contracting so that the ventricles are completely filled with blood. Therefore, this AV node is specialized for slow conduction. So that there is a 0.1 second delay here. It seems as if the current is stuck here. It acts as a speed breaker for current. After 0.1 seconds of delay, the current is passed forward. Now I will briefly summarize it. SA node is the pacemaker of the heart where the electrical activity starts. It then spreads in both the atria, and AV node is the only point where there is an electrical connection between atria and ventricles. The remaining part is a fibrous septum which is insulator, which does not allow current to pass through it. So when the current reaches the AV node, there is a delay of about 0.1 second here. In other words, current is stopped here for 0.1 seconds before it is allowed to pass forward. After AV node, the current enters bundle of His. Bundle of His then divides into right and left bundle branches, which in turn gives Purkinje fibers. So this is the conduction system of the heart, through which current passes from SA node to Purkinje fibers through whole of the heart in one cardiac cycle.